Hey guys! Patio speakers, also known as outdoor speakers, are audio devices specifically designed for outdoor use. They are designed to withstand various weather conditions, including rain, snow, heat, and cold. Patio speakers allow you to extend your music or audio experience to your outdoor spaces, such as patios, decks, gardens, or pool areas. Patio speakers are engineered to deliver clear and balanced audio in outdoor environments. They often feature wider sound dispersion to cover larger areas, and some models may offer adjustable tweeters to control the direction of sound. Patio speakers can be powered through different methods. Some models require wiring to a power source or an audio amplifier or receiver, while others operate wirelessly, utilizing Bluetooth or Wi-Fi connectivity to connect to your audio source. Battery-powered or solar-powered options are also available for more portable setups. Some patio speakers support integration with popular smart home platforms like Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. This enables voice control and seamless integration with your smart home ecosystem. When setting up patio speakers, it's important to consider the layout of your outdoor space, speaker placement for optimal sound coverage, and any local regulations or guidelines regarding outdoor audio installations. There are several reputable brands that specialize in outdoor speakers, offering a range of options to fit different budgets and requirements. Research and compare features, customer reviews, and price points to find the patio speaker that best suits your needs. In this video, I made a selection of speakers for you to consider when you want to make such a purchase. So, sit back and please enjoy the video. First on my list is Polk Audio Atrium 8 SDI. The Polk Audio Atrium 8 SDI is the flagship speaker of the Atrium line and brings all the best work of Polk's outdoor speaker innovation to one speaker. The Atrium series from Polk Audio has consistently impressed, and the Atrium 8 hits the sweet spot between the larger and smaller models that give you just the right amount of bang for your buck. It is a bright-sounding speaker with a fair bit of volume to them. The SDI in the name of the speaker refers to the single, dual-input switch, which basically means that this speaker can be used on its own as a high-performance stereo speaker. However, with the flip of a switch, two of these speakers can be paired together to function as separate left and right speakers. Inside the Polk Atrium 8 is a 6.5 inches dual-voice coil driver with a polypropylene cone, which is coupled with two 1-inch anodized aluminum dome tweeters for the high end. These speakers utilize up to 125 watt of power per channel, which is enough to create some impressive volume when paired with the right amplifier. The Atrium 8 comes with a new speed-locking mounting C-bracket, which gives you a multitude of mounting options depending on what you're looking for and the ability to rotate the speaker as needed. The Atrium 8 can be considered a safe choice in adding some solid sound to your outdoor area. This is a 6500 all-weather speaker from Definitive Technology. The Definitive Technology A6500 puts worry about sound quality and speaker resilience to rest with fully sealed speakers that perform wonderfully rain or shine. Its BDSS driver coupled to the racetrack-shaped, pressure-driven low-bass radiator and pure aluminum dome tweeter provide an accurate reproduction of vocals and instruments in rich, deep lows while limiting distortion. The speaker's air and watertight design and non-resonant, rugged polystone enclosures allow it to be fully exposed to the elements and still reliably deliver indoor speaker sound quality for years of outdoor listening enjoyment. Integrated galvanized steel mounting brackets and unique enclosure shape ensure a full 360 degrees of rotation. The speakers can be placed just about anywhere while directing the audio to reach everywhere. The Definitive Technology A6500 is an all-weather speaker that is ruggedly built and capable of playing very loudly. It has a little deeper bass than some other outdoor speakers and is not a very hard load to drive even with a second zone of a receiver. The woofer is a 6.5 inches balanced double surround system driver. The bass from this driver is augmented by a 5.5 by 10 inches racetrack planar low bass radiator, while the tweeter is the same 1-inch pure aluminum dome found in Definitive Technology's award-winning indoor speakers. The galvanized steel mounting brackets give you 360-degree rotational flexibility for horizontal or vertical mounting. With endless mounting and placement options, you can set up this speaker just about anywhere. The JBL Professional Control 25-1 is my next option on the list. The Control 25-1 is a two-way 5-inch speaker with rich sonic character, wide coverage, consistent dispersion, versatile mounting, and a contemporary high design look that fits into a wide range of decors. The JBL Professional Control 25-1 is a compact indoor or outdoor speaker that offers rich sonic character, wide coverage, consistent dispersion, versatile mounting, and a contemporary high design look that fits into a wide range of decors. It is ideal for background and foreground music and paging applications in various settings. It delivers clear, crisp, and natural sound quality with rich bass and smooth highs. It is easy to install and adjust with the Invisiball mounting system that allows for flexible positioning and orientation. It is durable and weatherproof, making it suitable for indoor or outdoor use in various environments. It is aesthetically pleasing and blends well with any decor. It can also be used in direct or distributed sound systems with the built-in multi-tap transformer. Overall, the JBL Professional Control 25-1 is a great choice for anyone looking for a compact indoor-outdoor speaker that offers rich sonic character, wide coverage, consistent dispersion, versatile mounting, and a contemporary high design look that fits into a wide range of decors. The JBL Professional Control 25-1 seems to be a popular choice for those looking for a compact speaker with good sound quality. Fourth on my list are these outdoor speakers from Klipsch, the AW650. If you are looking for outdoor speakers that can fill your backyard with powerful and detailed sound, the Klipsch AW650 might be the right choice for you. These speakers are large, durable, and deliver a satisfying performance that can rival some indoor speakers. The speakers use Klipsch's proprietary Tractrix horn technology, which consists of a 1-inch titanium dome tweeter mounted on a 90° by 90° square horn. This design helps to disperse the sound evenly and reduce distortion at high volumes. The tweeter is paired with a 6.5 inches woofer that handles the mid-range and bass frequencies. The speakers have a frequency response of 70 Hz to 20 kHz, a sensitivity of 95 dB, and a power handling of 85 watts RMS, 340 watts peak. They have gold-plated binding posts that accept bare wire, banana plugs, or spade connectors. The speakers come with C-shaped mounting brackets and stainless steel hardware for easy installation. The Klipsch AW650 are impressive speakers that can deliver a big sound for big spaces. They have a high sensitivity and power handling, which means they can get very loud without distorting or clipping. They also have a wide soundstage and good imaging, which creates a realistic and immersive listening experience. The speakers excel at reproducing the highs and mids thanks to the horn tweeter and the woofer. The treble is crisp, clear, and detailed without being harsh or sibilant. The mid-range is rich, warm, and natural with good vocal clarity and presence. The speakers can handle various genres of music, from rock to jazz to classical, with accuracy and nuance. The speakers perform best in large outdoor spaces, such as patios, decks, or poolsides. They can fill these areas with clear and balanced sound that can overcome ambient noise and distance. However, they might not be ideal for smaller or enclosed spaces, such as balconies or porches. They might sound too loud or too bright in these settings, especially if placed close to walls or ceilings. Next on my list we can find Cambridge Audio ES30 Outdoor Speaker. If you are looking for outdoor speakers that can handle different weather conditions and deliver a balanced and expressive sound, the Cambridge Audio ES30 might be the right choice for you. These speakers are compact, durable, and versatile, but they pack a punch with their ported cabinet design and 6.5 inches mid-bass driver. The Cambridge Audio ES30 are designed to withstand extreme differences in humidity and temperature, making them suitable for your garden, patio, or rooftop. They have a white plastic enclosure and a metal grille that protect the drivers from rain, snow, sun, and dust. The speakers use a two-way first-order crossover to split the frequencies between a 1-inch anodized aluminum dome tweeter and a 6.5 inches injection molded cone woofer. The tweeter handles the high frequencies with clarity and detail, while the woofer delivers the mid-range and bass with warmth and punch. The speakers have a frequency response of 55 Hz to 20 kHz, a sensitivity of 90 dB, and an impedance of 4 to 8 ohms. They have a recommended amplifier power of 10 to 120 watts. The Cambridge Audio ES30 are impressive speakers that can deliver a balanced and expressive sound for your outdoor entertainment. They have a wide soundstage and good imaging, which creates a realistic and immersive listening experience. The speakers excel at reproducing the bass thanks to the ported cabinet design and the large woofer. The bass is deep, tight, and powerful without being boomy or muddy. The speakers can handle some low-end frequencies that other outdoor speakers struggle with, such as drums and bass lines. However, they are not subwoofers, so they cannot produce the lowest notes or the most powerful bass. If you want more bass, you might want to add a separate subwoofer to your system. The speakers perform best in medium to large outdoor spaces, such as patios, decks, or poolsides. They can fill these areas with clear and balanced sound that can overcome ambient noise and distance. But they might not be ideal for smaller or enclosed spaces, such as balconies or porches. They might sound too loud or too bright in these settings, especially if placed close to walls or ceilings. For buying options and more information about these speakers, check the links in video description. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Now, check out my 2 next videos. See you soon.